Another episode Cooking Dave's Kitchen, and today I like to show you how to make these nice, good, tender chicken strips. Very easy to make, very delicious. Follow along with me and I'll show you exactly how I did it. Taking the skin off, it should come off real easy like. Okay, we want to start cutting. Here's the bone, so we're going to cut right here. There. And what we want to do is we're going to cut this a little thinner. Get this fat out of the way. We don't want no fat in our chicken strips we make. Okay, after you get it all cut up, you want half a cup of regular milk, and then you want some heavy whipping cream, a half a cup of heavy whipping cream, and you want to let this soak in here. Okay, you want 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of seasoned salt, okay, a bit of lemon pepper, not too much, teaspoon of black pepper, you want a teaspoon of smoked paprika, okay. Last, you want a half a teaspoon of regular salt. You just want to take a whisk and just kind of combine all these seasons and stuff together. Okay, and next we're going to start combining all of our chicken into here. Come back in a moment. From here you want to take your wet batter and you want to put it all in your flour. Now you just want to test this before you put anything into your grease. It's not near done, we'll come back. You want to take your tongs right here and you want to put this over in here. Let that cook for a moment. Come back in a minute. So I'm so far, I got 2 of them ready so far. We're going to come back and cook the rest of them, and we'll come back and see what the rest of them look like. Definitely beautiful, very so darn beautiful. Anyway, we're going to do a taste test on this. That's like that one right there. That is so good. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my channel, and if you do, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another video, because I will have another one coming out, and I want y'all to have a blessed day.